saved so much time in the business by simply reducing double entry. Previously, we'd have to jump onto the FENSA portal, get all the information, make sure it's accurate. So double check the amount of windows and doors, double check the customer details. And some of our customers have different billing addresses, different delivery addresses. It was a nightmare. But now it's kind of not even a process to us. We click a button, off it goes, the customer gets their certificate. We also have a copy of the installation number, which, to be honest, we never went on, we never pulled down, but now we've got it, and the dates. So that has just become an absolutely instrumental process, the customer warranty side of the things. We, as a business, spend 2.5 seconds on it, where before it sometimes would be 2.5 hours trying to import it whilst having a cup of tea. So yeah, it's been absolutely amazing.
And while you're there marking the project off as completed, you just have to press another tab, register it with FENSA. You don't have to come out, log on to FENSA and then register the installation. I mean, the address, it's all auto-filled forms, everything's there. You literally just put how many windows you fitted or how many doors. And click, it's done without even leaving the BP. It's fantastic.
It's a job that went from taking potentially hours to do, now it's down to minutes, and our FENSA reports are all 100% up to date as well. Everything that's done the day before is all signed off for that week as well. So again, it could have potentially been someone who sat all day doing that. Now it's literally one of our customer service girls actually can take the phone calls and do the FENSA reports at the same time. So it's actually cutting out having to have an extra salary put in board as well. So from your point of view, if you were saying from the savings as well, it's actually saved us having to hire another member of staff, which again cuts into the overhead of the business.